Good morning in Pakistan. The unsolicited report in Walk Your Talk is a brilliant way to stand out from the crowd. In the fast-paced world of office life, it is easy for your hard work to go unnoticed. Remember, success is where preparation and opportunity meet. To truly stand out, step outside your routine. Instead of just processing more tasks, consider submitting an unsolicited report that offers innovative solutions. As Peter Drucker said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Follow these essential rules. Submit reports occasionally. Ensure they provide real benefits and make your name visible. What you do makes difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Jane Goodall said, ultimately, the best way to be recognized is by excelling at your job. Focus on quality over quantity and avoid distractions. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work in hand. Thomas Edison advised, by embodying these principles, you will not only enhance your visibility but also pave the way for future success. Have a good day. Goodbye.